All hail the beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today I am back with another unboxing slash first impressions for you guys, and this one comes from Vegas. What happens in Vegas obviously doesn't stay in Vegas because it's right here. Ooh. There's a note. Alright, man, so this one is from the people over at Swiss Arabian. They hooked your boy up with something and sent me a ton of samples. Oops. Alright. So this is what we have here, man. I do not know how to pronounce this. I'm gonna take a shot. Alright, I don't know what this one is called because I can't read it. Oh, damn, that was pretty tough. This stuff must be good. Alright. If one of you know what this is, comment below and tell me how to pronounce it. I'm sure one of you out there will know. So I've gotten some good stuff from them in the past, man. The Shagaf Oud, the Abiad Oud, all super nice. Damn, this one is good. I wish I knew how to pronounce this. Damn, I do like this one. This one is definitely like a man's fragrance. This one has like the smokiness to it. Kind of smells like incense, but it's nice. Like I said, this one is a manly fragrance. It does have some incense to it. I think that this one, this is a dope one, man. Very Middle Eastern. And it's also a nice change from the stuff they sent. Like traditionally when they send me something, it's like some type of oud base. If there's oud in this one, I can't detect it at all. But I like it. I would probably say if you're gonna do this one, reserve it for fall and winter, definitely colder times, or if you're gonna be in a climate controlled environment, definitely do it on this one, but when it's like cool. I wouldn't wear this to the office though, because I don't think this is gonna be everyone's cup of tea, but if you get into those like Middle Eastern fragrances, they can be loud and project. This one doesn't seem like it's going to be too loud or project too much, and it's nice. I think even if it did, like people would like this one. I like that one. Now there's a ton of other samples here. I'm not gonna obviously go through all of these. Some of these look like they're for women. I think this is Nicki Minaj's Queen. Just joking, don't be searching Nicki Minaj perfume. I'm not sure what this one is, but whatever this one is, I'm sure it's strong. Just of how much is in there. That's like a whole sample vial, like some oil or something. All right, man, so that's what I have for you on this today. What I'll probably do is go through here. I need to like get all of the fragrances that they've sent me together, get someone over here to smell them all and see which ones they like the most. But I do like this one. This is a super solid one. I do not know how to pronounce it because it's written in Arabic. If I did, I would tell you. If I can figure it out, I'll reach out to the company. If I can, by the time this video drops, then at least try to get it spelled out for you in English. All right, that's what I have for you guys today. I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again. And please do me a favor, you know, reach for the stars. And while you're at it, reach for that bell and hit it.